Well, how do you do, young Willie McBride? Do you mind if I sit here down by your graveside and rest for a while with the warm summer sun? I've been working all day and I'm nearly done. I see by your gravestone you're only 19 when you joined the dead heroes of 1916. I hope you died well, and I hope you died clean. Oh, Willie McBride, was it slow and obscene? Did they beat the drum slowly? Did they play the fife lowly? Did they sing the death march? Did they load you down? Did the band play the last post and chorus? Did the pipes play the flowers of the forest? Now, Willie McBride, I can't help wonder why do those who lie here know why did they die? They really believe when they answer the call. Did they really believe that this war would end wars? The dying, the suffering, the glory, the pain, the killing, the dying was all done in vain. Young Willie McBride, it all happened again and again and again and again and again. Did they beat the drum slowly?